Welcome students in our mathematics class. Our second chapter parallel lines and transversal examples in practice set 2.2. Now the first example, choose the correct alternative. First one, in the adjoining figure, if line M parallel to line N and line P is a transversal, then find X. There is figure given, line M is parallel to line N, line P is a transversal. There are two angles are given, 3x and x. आपण या ठिकाणी नाव देऊन टाकायचं आहे. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ लाइन P and line M, it is A. Point of intersection of line P and line N is B. Now there is another point C on line M, another point D on line N. Now there are four alternatives are given. Option A 135, B 90 degree, C 45 degree, D 40 degree. Choose the correct alternative. So first we solve this example solution. In figure, line M parallel to line N and line P is a transversal. It is given. Now in figure, angle CAB, this angle CAB plus angle ABD plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. By the property of interior angles. We already learned this property. That is, if the two lines are parallel to each other, then interior angles formed by transversal are supplementary. That is, sum of them is equal to 180 degree. So angle CAB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. Now the measure of this angle CAB, it is given 3x. Measure of angle ABD, it is given x. So 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 4x, 3x plus x, that is 4x is equal to 180. So x is equal to, now this 4 is multiplied to this x. If I shift this 4 towards RHS, then it is divided to 180 degree. And so x is equal to 180 upon 4. So x is equal to, if we divide this 180 by 4, 4 चौक 16, या ठिकाणी 18तून 16 गेले 2 उरतात, 0 ठेवला 20 तयार होतात, 4 पंचे 20. So x is equal to 45. So x is equal to 45 degree. So the correct option, now 45, this option number C. So the correct option, that is correct alternative is C, 45 degree. When we write this property of interior angles, then it is necessary to write that line M parallel to line N and line P is a transversal, because this property is applicable only for parallel lines. जेव्हा आपल्याला ही प्रॉपर्टी लिहायची आहे तेव्हा या ठिकाणी दोन रेषा समांतर आहेत हे आपल्याला दिलेलं असतं. ते आपण या ठिकाणी आधी सुरुवातीला लिहून घ्यायचं आणि नंतर ती प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायची, हे विद्यार्थ्यांनी लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे. या ठिकाणी हे दोन अँगल्स इंटेरियर अँगल्स आहेत. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, in the adjoining figure, if line A parallel to line B and line L is a transversal, then find X. Alternative A 90 degree, B 60 degree, C 45 degree and D 30 degree. So first we solve this example. Here line A, line B, both lines are parallel, and this line L, it is a transversal. There are two angles are given, 4x and 2x in figure. Now here let this angle D, it form a pair of interior alternate angles. These are the alternate angles, interior alternate angles. Let the angle D is form a pair of interior alternate angle with angle of measure 4x. आपल्याला हा D अँगल दिलेला नाही, आपण तो मानून घेतलेला आहे आणि जे आपण मानलेला आहे ते आपण या पहिल्या दोन ओळींमध्ये लिहून घेतलेला आहे. Let the angle D, it form the pair of interior alternate angle with this angle of measure 4x. Now line A parallel to line B and line L is transversal, it is given. So this 4x is equal to d. We learn this property that interior alternate angles formed by transversal by two parallel lines. At that time, the interior alternate angles are congruent. So 4x is equal to d by the property of interior alternate angles. Suppose it is equation number 1. 4x is equal to d. Now in figure, this angle D and this angle 2x, these two angles form linear pair. These two angles form linear pair. Here the two lines intersect each other and these two angles form linear pair. And we know the property of linear pair angles, that is again the sum of linear pair angle is equal to 180 degree. So this D plus 2x, that is 2x plus d is equal to 180 degree because it forms the pair of linear angles. So 2x as it is, now the value of this d is equal to 4x from equation number 1. So 2x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree from equation number 1. There is reference of equation 1, that is the value of d is equal to 4x. So 2x as it is from this equation, the value of d is equal to 4x from equation number 1 is equal to 180 degree as it is. 2x plus 4x, that is 6x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to, पर पुन्हा या ठिकाणी 6x ला गुणिले इकडे जाताना तो भागिले होणार आहे. सो x is equal to 180 upon 6. And so it is equal to 30. Sin 3 18 आणि 0 तसाच. So x is equal to 30 degree. X is equal to 30 degree. So the correct option between these four, it is 30 degree. That is option number D. So correct alternative is D. Option number D. या प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधलं तिसरं एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचं आहे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4. In the adjoining figure, line A parallel to line B, line L is a transversal. Find the measures of angle X, angle Y, angle Z using the given information. Using the given information. Now, there is line A parallel to line B and line L is transversal. In figure, these two lines are parallel, line L is transversal. Now if we observe this figure, at that time this angle of measure 105 degree and angle X, these both angles form the pair of corresponding angles. And when the property of corresponding angle, that is the corresponding angles formed by transversal by two parallel lines are congruent. And so angle X is equal to 105 degree by the property of corresponding angles. आपल्या गणितामध्ये आपण जेव्हा उदाहरण सोडवतो किंवा कुठलाही रेफरन्स घेतो तेव्हा तो या उजव्या बाजूला लिहिणं गरजेचं आहे. 8वी पासून ते लिहिण्याची आपल्याला सवय करून घ्यायची आहे. सो x is equal to 105 because of this property of corresponding angles. Now this angle x and angle y, these two angles form the pair of opposite angles. X and y, these are the opposite angles. Now angle y, here angle y is equal to 105 by the property of exterior alternate angles. We know the property of exterior alternate angles, that is the exterior alternate angles formed by transversal by two parallel lines are congruent, and so this angle y is equal to 105 degree. Now if we observe these two angles, angle Z and angle 100, angle of measure 105 degree, that both angles form linear pair. So angle Z plus 105 is equal to 180 degree, pair of linear angles, and so Z is equal to 180. Now this plus 105 become minus 105 towards RHS. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 105, 105. It is equal to 75 degree. So here we write all the answers which are given, question given, that is find the measure of angle X, angle Y and angle Z So angle X is equal to 105 degree, angle Y is equal to 105 degree and angle Z is equal to 75 degree. या एक्झरसाइज मधलं एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5 जे आहे ते या वर्षासाठी डिलीट केलेलं आहे. तसा मी तुम्हाला तो सिलेबस पाठवलेला आहे आणि फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन जी तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे ती तुम्ही स्वयंअध्ययन म्हणजे तुम्ही वाचायचे आणि समजून घ्यायचं आहे. मात्र त्याच्यावरचे काही प्रश्न आपल्याला या परीक्षेमध्ये विचारले जाणार नाहीत. तुमच्या वहीमध्ये या प्रॅक्टिस सेटमधले सगळे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचे आहे. थँक्यू.